again, and this time I'm going to give you another lesson, and I'm very pumped about giving you this lesson. Alright, so konbanwa, buenas noches to all of you. My topic is about the two kinds of verbs, and they are regular verbs and irregular verbs. Okay, so what are those regular verbs and irregular verbs? So I'm going to explain what those are. Alright, so regular verbs can be described as the verb that follows the standard rule in the creation of simple past and the past participle. What do I mean by that? So it could mean that these regular verbs, you just have to put or add the ed or d. Okay? So you're not going to change the word from the base form of the verb, from the present tense, past tense, up to the past participle. Okay? So you're just going to add d or ed. Like, for example, I have here the example, play. Play, you're just going to add ed. So that's going to be played. Right? From the base form of the verb, and that is play, and the past tense, that's going to be played, up to the past participle, play. So it's not going to change. You're just going to add ed from the base form of the verb, from the word play. And next word we have walk. Okay, like what I said, this is a regular verb, so you're just going to put the ed from the base form of the verb to the past tense, and that is walked. Up to the past participle, same as the past tense, so that's going to be walked. Right? So present tense, past tense, and the past participle. Okay? Next, the word is want. Okay? Want. And then past tense, that's going to be wanted. And then the past participle is also wanted. Right? So want, wanted, wanted. Okay? From the base form of the verb, present tense, past tense, past participle. Okay? So the next word that I have here is move. Okay? Move from the present tense, you're just going to add d to the past tense up to the past participle. So that's going to be moved, moved. From the present tense, move. Okay, did you get it? Okay, so the next word that I have here is lift. From the word lift, present tense, and in the past tense, that shall be lifted. Up to the past participle, and it's also going to be lifted. Right? So those words are regular verbs, and that's the reason why they are called regular verbs, because you are just going to put the letters ed or the letter d. Okay? So you're not going to change anything for the regular verbs. Unlike the irregular verbs, it changes from the present tense, past tense, up to the past participle. Okay? So, what is regular verb? Regular verb is the, irregular verb does not follow the normal pattern of inflection. So it means this is really the opposite of the regular verb. Why? Because it changes from the base form of the verb to past tense up to the past participle. See? Alright, so I have 5 examples here. So they are sing. From the from the base form of the verb or present tense, that is seen, right? Next, past tense, that shall be sang. And the past participle, that's going to be sung. Okay? So, next word I have here, write. From the present tense, write. And past tense, that's going to be wrote. And past participle, that's going to be written. Okay? So, next word I have here is write. Okay, from the present tense or from the base form of the verb, and that is write. Past tense, that's going to be wrote, and the past participle, that's going to be written. Okay, so the next word that I have here is swim. Right? So from the present tense, swim, it's going to be swam in the past tense, and in the past participle, that's going to be swum. Okay? So swim, swam, swum. Okay, next word that I have here is see. See. So from the present tense, see, past tense, saw, and the past participle is seen. Okay? So, see, saw, seen. Okay? So, those are the irregular verbs. And that is also the difference between the irregular verb and the regular verb. So, it's very easy in the regular verb because you're not going to change anything. You are just going to add D or ED. Unlike the irregular verbs, it changes from the present tense to the past tense up to the past participle. Okay? So, that is my lesson for tonight. And this is the regular verb and the irregular verb. Okay, so to recapitulate this, I have given you the examples, and these are all for the irregular verbs. I'm talking about the irregular verbs, and these are play from the base form of the verb, past tense, or should I say present tense, past tense, and past participle. Okay. So, play, played, played. Okay? So, next word is walk. Walked, walked. So, you're just going to add ed. And next is want. Want, want, wanted, wanted. So, you're just going to add e as well. And now, the word move. Moved, moved. So you are just going to add D. Next word is lift. From the present tense, past tense, and past participle. Lift, lifted, lifted. Okay? So lift, lifted, lifted. So next, the irregular verbs. Here are the examples I gave you earlier, and they are, we're just going to divide them into present tense, past tense, and past participle. So the first word that I gave you was sing, sang, sung. Sing, sang, sung. Okay, next word is write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written. Next word we have here is write. Okay? So, write, wrote, written. The next word is swim, swam, and swum. Okay? Next word, or the last word that I gave you was see, saw, seen. So, those are the examples that I gave you for the irregular verbs. Okay, and the irregular verbs just a few seconds ago, right? So, if you find if you find this beneficial to you and informative and educational, you just have to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to give you some more educational and beneficial lessons for you that you're going to use this, okay, in your class. So thank you very much, and this has been yours truly, Sir John, Sir JJ, saying domo arigatou gozaimashita and buenas noches to my Spanish viewers. Okay, so thank you and bye now. For now.